What are you doing? We're gonna take flight. Alright, since you're not at the Adventure Van Expo, we're going to give you a quick tour of Lady Luna at her showcase. Come on down. So we got our little dinette for 4. I love our little fruit baskets and the vibe. Our slider window. We got this seat that flips up and down. We can store it away. One on the back. One flip it up. Somebody like this. We got an oven here and it's really cool. Like, you can make everything in here. It's like we got our cast iron in here. Well, this little thing is actually keeping the wind from coming in when we cook. And then you put it down like this. You can use it as a space to chop on. This up and you have like a really big space to cook on. 8 feet to be exact. This is by far one of my favorite features of the van. We've got a water filter system that is from Cuba. This water filter is powered by DC power. It only pulls power when you turn it on, and it's UV light, killing bacteria and virus, and then we have a pre-filter as well in it. So basically you can fill up lakes, streams, tap, and have safe drinking water, which is a serious priority for us. So, cheers! This is like our bathroom, as you can see here. We store our broom in here. It's our compost toilet. It's our shower. We hang our wetsuits and bathing suits in here. We've got a stainless steel shower pan. We have the ability to shower in here in winter time. We really like having a wet room because we surf all the time and you always have stuff dripping. You don't really want to put it in a bucket because you want it to dry. Big bed, put it long way so that we didn't have to fight to get to the toilet in the middle of the night. We have a lot of storage underneath and we placed it in the highest we could go up without hitting our heads so that we could have maximum storage on it. We also got a fan back here that keeps it cool and nice in addition to the ceiling fans. We love books, so we get bookshelves that we hung up here and used a railing to attach it. We got a projector here. We put a screen up here in the night and we'll just put this on and we have like our own cinema here. And these are our closets. Didn't clean in there. This one's maybe nicer. That's mine. Really important part of this whole back space because it keeps bugs out at the same time as we can look out. So you can sip it up here. We spend a lot of time in the cold, so this is super key. Insulated worm has magnets here that attaches it, so you can actually take it all the way off and like open up like this and sit and hang your feet out when you're at the beach and it's warm. Just like this. Snap, 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 snap. Reading lights. So we've got like our little control panel for our fans and our lighting system from the bed. And we use magnets like all over for hooks. It's like one of our van hacks. So now we've got yoga for 2 and we take our table down. Same guys that made our rear partition and all of our window covers magnetic. They're so on it. We use this as well. It's crazy how much bugs are a problem when you're camping. The shower. 30-gallon water tank on the inside because we don't want it to freeze in wintertime. We use the bottom of our bed just to set up racking for tables, for our floor mats, And there's our power system, battery bank, AC and DC. So our newest addition is this backwoods, lockable, badass compartment.
The fact that you and I are working here today.
And it's modular, so you can we can get another one of these racking systems. We can put our tire here. We can put a bike rack on top of here. So this is just the beginning of this kit. It's like another garage.